Hello again, thanks for coming back. So now I'm going to finish off the strapless dipped hem, low high hem, however you want to call it, dress. So I'm making a size 10 and I've measured out 36 centimetres, that includes the seam allowances on the side, for the waist, and the top of the top part is 40 centimetres, again with the seam allowances, and it is 29, is that correct? Should be, yeah, 28 centimetres long. This hem's going to be a bit longer because you're doubling that up, and this is going to be the seam that's attaching the skirt. And then this bit is 30 centimetres by 55, folded double of course, so 110 with a 1 centimetre seam allowance, and that's the band that folds double and goes around the shoulders as it's off the shoulder dress. But it all will make sense soon. Right, let's cut this out then. If you have any questions, please just leave them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, I want to say a massive thank you for letting me reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. That was fantastic. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos and finding them really useful. That's what I do it for, really. I'm just trying to share my passion with you, and hopefully you guys make the stuff I do or get inspired by it. That's what it's all about. Right. And this, I think, I'll make a nice pillbox hat out of it. Right in the centre could have the nice flower print. Put that on a button hat. That would look gorgeous to match your dress as well, if you're all into the matchy. You can check out one of my other tutorials how to make a pillbox hat. And also any suggestions if you want me to show you how to make something else, if I can, then please let me know again in the comments, or any tips you have for me if I'm doing something wrong. No expert, but I know a little bit. Right. So this is kind of done to my measurements, which is a size 10. There we go, that's the top half. And then I'm going to continue cutting this bit straight. Looks super straight. Oh, I didn't need to cut that bit. Okay, well, never mind, done it now. Sorry, so that should measure 55 to there. Which is 22 inches. Hope this fits. If it doesn't, I'll sell it for a size 8. Someone else can have it. See. My tip for doing it straight is I fold it so then you can sort of guide yourself, you know that's 30, so keep it straight. Oh. these scissors. Is that 30? Yep. I really prefer doing it on the floor because with table I can't get right on top of the fabric and stuff like that. So if it makes sense, you hem it there and then you fold it double and that's the shoulder part like that. Maxi. Hope that really isn't going to be too tight. Anyway, you'll see all when it's finished. Right, I'm going to sew those bits now and I'll be back with you in a minute.